Boy, it's a war zone through here. Rough. Let's see if we can go this way. Oh, Lordy. Boy, it is a mess in here. Like, again, I'm back here on West Meade in Nashville. And this is Joslyn Hollow. Trees it down. Power line back there. My buddy Kevin and the neighborhood look like they're trying to get it down. Get it off that line. My buddy Tony got a tree on his house, a pretty big one, on his brand new roof, so I'm gonna have to address that with insurance. Driveways blocked, streets blocked, but I'm making it okay through here in this little car. Driving hill, looks good. So we'll go down Joslyn Hollow the other way here. That way's pretty messy, but you can get through. Low-lying limbs, you gotta watch for those. You gotta watch for lane changes. There's these trees down taking one whole lane out, like right here. I just ran into that off a 9 Mile hill. Car in front of me just almost slammed on his brakes because went down to one lane and no notice. So you can't tailgate. I'm a good tailgater, but you can't do it this time of the year. So everything's okay through here. See what we got it this way. Power line down, just drove over it. Looked like it broke. Somebody done cut this back right there, that's good. All right through here. Big limbs hanging low right there. Pretty old tree. All good through here. Way better shape this end. Well, I say that. Here's some trees down again. Taking out one lane. Got one lane to go. Just make sure you got the right of way. Not bad through here. lane change, y'all. The sun today's really helping. Lots of improvements going to happen in the next 2 days. I may even have power back today. I don't know. It'd be nice. Gun Club. I'm going to turn on Gun Club right here. See what we got. Another power line. Gotta watch those. Sedberry. Looks good. My buddy's house. Hello, David 3. Cut neighbor's trees down blocking his driveway, but not a crisis. My other buddy right here, that's so George right there. And my other buddy Brian right next door here, got that monster tree right there down. Brian's okay right there. He's got some big limbs down, but not a crisis. George McIntyre, that's who his name was. I was trying to think of it. From the radio. Sports Talk. Alright, I'm going to get on out here. This is back on Post Road, clear as a bell. And I'll get back with y'all again.